Picture yourself in the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features, this spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors, power liftgate, power driver seat. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.